everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Tinder without phone number. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser first and type in tinder.com in the search box. Once you make your search, you'll end up in the official website. Go and click on the login button in the top right corner, and from the pop-up, if you don't want to log in using your phone number, then you can log in using your Google or your Facebook account. Click on any other choices except the phone number option. Let me click on Google. Now, you need to go ahead and solve some puzzles in order to prove that you are a real person. Click Verify and complete the puzzles. And soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Tinder account without your phone number. If prompted, you might be required to enter your Google account credentials while logging in with your Google on Tinder. It is quite simple and easy, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.